Alright, now we're going to do an initial manual test cut with the plasma. Just manual, not machine, not hooked up. So, first we plug in the power cord. That's the welder power cord. You see it's got 3 prongs. Hot, ground. Minus 120, plus 120, so I got 240 across there. Alright, so we plug it in. That's 50 amps. Okay. Now, we want to get a welding glove, just so you have, in case you have to grab the part or hold the part. This hand's going to be close to the plasma. So, welder's gloves, get a pair of welding gloves. You need a number 5 shade to keep that UV out of your eyes. So I just use these. These are fairly inexpensive, and you can change out the lens there. See, just replace the lens. Lens is about $5, I think. So get a couple pairs of those or a few pairs of those for the shop up there. And what you do? But you need that. All right, we're gonna fire the machine up here. I think plasma is to the left. I'm going to put a label on there. Okay, nothing happened, which is good. We shouldn't have thrown power from this port through this switch and down into this unit. That's in theory. So once I flip this switch, we should have lights come on here and get power in the plasma unit. Okay, this is a good sign. We got power. We don't have pressure. That's because we got to hook up the air, and the air leaks. So I've got to replace that fitting. That's all. So, all right. We got a switch here, cut, gouge. We're going to cut. We're going to put it about 35 amps. Let's go about 40 amps. We're only cutting 1/8 inch material. We're going to cut it by hand so we can go as slow or fast as we need to. Put it at 40 amps. Now when I hook up the pressure, it's going to get loud, but we should see this orange pressure light go off and turn green. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the light goes out. We don't have fault line on the cup or the temp. It's not overheated. And the cup, there's a little copper cup on the torch. And if that is not seated, there's a switch inside here that will trip. Okay? So just make sure it's screwed on tight, clockwise, righty-tighty. Alright, now don't forget your glasses. Need some glasses. There we go. Shade 5. Shade 5 glasses here. Alright. A little dark. We got a little test piece of angle set up here. It's got a trigger lock here. Flip the yellow piece out, and you can pull that trigger. Let's see how we do. What do we have there? Oh, auto fan. Good. That's all auto pressure, auto fan. So all we got, there's no pressure set in there. Automatically adjusts the air pressure to what you're cutting according to the voltage and the amperage in the system. So that's a pretty nice machine. This is one of the newer line of the Miller machines, brand new line. The Spectrum 875, and they just updated it with a lot of this auto air pressure features and stuff. So our plasma's good. Now the test cable should be back in next week, or should be in next week, and so I should be able to install that cable, remote control cable. It plugs into here. This senses the voltage right at the tip and sends it to the controller, and that'll adjust your Z up and down according and maintain a specific voltage that you preset in mount. And that's going to control, like if the steel starts to buckle or warp, it'll follow that and maintain the correct cutting voltage and amperage. I think Tom Cottle at CNC's got he put an amperage control in there too, or at least a reading. So anyway, that's it. Plasma works right now, and we'll finish up next week.